Hi everyone, so this is what we're looking at for my linen closet right now. It's definitely cluttered and does not look pretty at all. I'm going to start by painting everything white once I remove everything, and then I'm gonna do a Sharpie shiplap. So I probably wouldn't do a Sharpie shiplap anywhere in the house other than a closet because it's not gonna be too noticeable, so if it looks really fake or anything like that, you won't be able to tell. I think a closet would be perfect to do that. So I'm going to paint everything white first and then get my level and start making the faux shiplap. So whenever we moved here, we had these two shelves, but the owners before us removed this one for some reason. So my husband said that he will cut another piece of plywood up there so I can have 3 shelves of storage, and that'll be nice because all of this space up here is wasted right now. So I'm thinking about doing that and then removing all of this down here.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything.
So I definitely want to replace all of these washcloths with just white ones, and then I can use these old ones as like cleaning rags or something.
Just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
Okay guys, so I started to do my faux shiplap, and the top one, I was trying to get my camera up in here, the light up in here, reach over it and try to do it with my level and my Sharpie. It just went terribly wrong. So I'm going to have to go ahead and do most of this off camera just because this is such a tight space. But all I used was my level, a Sharpie, and a ruler to measure out 6 inches between each plank. So I'm going to have to go over the very top one, and then there's some spots like right there I need to fix. But I think that this is going to look nice. This is a textured wall, so it doesn't look perfect. So I'm going to try to get a shot of an easier spot maybe towards the bottom, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna follow across to the sides. Now you can see right here, I need to touch up.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
So it didn't turn out great. I had to work with what I had since this is textured walls, but if this wouldn't have been textured wall, it would have turned out so perfect, I think. So it's okay, and I think once I have my decor in here, you won't be able to see the imperfections as well. And I'm actually pretty pleased with how it turned out, and it was super inexpensive, so I'm happy about that. Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a little haul of what I got to go into my linen closet. I had every intention on going to Marshall's. They had signs on their door saying temporarily closed, so I was like, you know what, I'll just go to Walmart, and I'm really happy I did because I found such really cute things from there. Alright, so I already had this bin here, and I had originally planned to use this in there and put my white towels and my white rags in there. So I just picked up a bundle of these because I want to get rid of all of our discolored ones. I want to just use white. It looks cleaner and just nicer. So I got that, and I'm gonna store it in this bin somehow. And then I saw these ones, so I knew that those would match perfectly. So I decided I grabbed 2 of these, and I'm gonna store like extra toiletries or whatever in those. I used to have some items in these little cheap plastic bins, so I'll just replace them with these little woven ones. So those look really nice. So I already had this, and I planned on storing Q-tips in that. Well, I wanted to just kind of stick with that, so I found this at Walmart, and I'm gonna store cotton balls. And I just think these little canisters look really nice. Next, I found this really cute little storage bin. I thought this was so pretty, and I wanted to tie in black into my linen closet. So I thought this, since you can see through it, that I could store my extra toilet paper in there. Okay, next, I love this pattern so much, and I think they had rugs that matched this, so I would love to go back and get those. But I'm gonna use this little hand towel by our sink, and then I found a matching towel. I may just drape it over this. So this is my next item. I needed to get a nice laundry bin, so I found this. Let me zoom out. I got this really nice laundry bin, and I think it was only about $30, which was so good. And it ties in with the wire. It just ties in with my theme with the neutral cream colored lining, and then the metal just looks really nice. I think all this will look so nice together. And then lastly, I wanted to add in some kind of greenery just to add more interest to the linen closet. And I saw this and thought it was adorable. I love that it had the black metal handle. So I'm gonna put some kind of greenery into that. But this is all that I picked up at Walmart, and I'm really excited to start decorating my new painted linen closet.
You dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
So that is everything for my closet makeover. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already so you never miss an upload from me. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Here forever.